Clean People just launched a Christmas morning scent for their laundry products, but also some of their cleaning products. So I just wanted to do a fun little video and show you guys some of their laundry products that are now in this Christmas morning scent, just because I thought it'd be fun. I'm super excited about them because Clean People is solely the brand that my husband and I use for our laundry products. So I was very excited to have this fun scent come out. I feel like it's just really great for the holidays. We have been using them now for a little bit and we've been really enjoying them. So I'm gonna just quickly go through them with you guys. It's gonna be a pretty quick video, but I just figured whoever is interested in Clean People, you might be interested in this. And I'm gonna do my best to kind of try to describe the scent, because somebody recently commented on a short form video that I posted about these that that Clean People doesn't have a description for the scent on their website, and I went and looked because I was kind of surprised by that. But yeah, it's true, they don't. I mean, yeah, they don't have a description of the scent, so I'm gonna try my best to describe what it smells like. But anyway, let's get into the products. So they do have the laundry sheets in the Christmas morning scent, and this pack that I have gives 96 loads. One sheet equals 2 loads. If you're not familiar with Clean People laundry sheets, these are a more sustainable option. Also, the ingredients are much more simple than what you'll find in a traditional laundry detergent. So if you're looking for something that's good for sensitive skin and you're looking for a laundry detergent with more conscious ingredients, then Clean People would probably interest you. That is why I switched to Clean People. We also use Clean People dishwasher detergent pods. So we use a lot of Clean People products when it comes to our laundry and dishwashing, and also some of their cleaning products, but we also use Branch Basics a lot in our house. Those are the two main brands that we use in our household. But anyway, for when it comes to laundry detergents, we only use Clean People really. These just last so long. So here is a little look at these sheets. So you only need to use a half a sheet for a regular load, or you use both of them for a really full load. And if you have a really heavily soiled load, then you would use 2 full sheets. So that is kind of their little guide for how to use them, but it has a really nice scent. It's not an overpowering scent. So to describe the Christmas morning scent, I would say it kind of smells like fruity almost like maybe like cranberries potentially. I've also tested out their cleaner concentrate, and I feel like this kind of smells different than the laundry sheets do. So this, I feel like, to me, when I use this in a multi-purpose spray, so I just mix water with a little bit of this, and I have a specific bottle that I use from the brand Branch Basics that tells you how much water to use with a concentrate or a soap type of product. So that's how I use this product. So as a multi-purpose spray though, I find that this kind of smells almost like a spicy cinnamon and also kind of fruity scent in one. So it definitely makes me think of the holidays when I use this, so I do really like that. So this one I would say smells more like, has that like spicy cinnamon kind of scent in it as well as the fruity scent. But when I just smell the laundry sheets, definitely gives, like, it smells more fruity to me. Ollie, here's Ollie. He's messing with the printer. He's very bored, so he's trying to get my attention. He's about to be a sibling next week. We are getting another kitten, so he's not going to be an only child anymore. Are you crazy? Yeah, okay. So they also have their laundry detergent pods in the Christmas morning scent, and we love the pods. I feel like I actually think we like the pods better than these sheets. However, these are really good as well. I feel like these I feel like almost work a little bit better. Honestly, they both clean clothes really well though. So I just feel like we like the pods the best. And then they also have their Christmas morning dryer sheets. It almost smells a little bit different in the dryer sheets as well, but it's a very nice scent. Nothing overpowering, but definitely kind of gives you a holiday feel, definitely a little bit of a holiday scent. So yeah, this video is super quick, but we love Clean People, huge fans of the brand. So if you are interested in trying out anything from Clean People, even if you are interested in the specific Christmas morning scent, they have a lot of great cleaning products, and their laundry products and their dishwashing products are our favorite. But if you do want to try anything from Clean People, I do have a discount code. You guys can get 10% off. So definitely check out the discount in the description box below. But yeah, so that is all for today's video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed and you want to see even more content from me in the future, I would absolutely love it if you'd go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you tune in for my next video.